everyone. This is the very first lesson of English speaking that we are going to start with. First of all, let's try to understand what are vowels and what are the alphabets. As you people know, there are 26 alphabets in English and the vowels are 5 in number out of those 26 alphabets. Vowels you people are well acquainted with. They are A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. These are related to the swar in Hindi like a, I, u, a, I, o, ang, aha. All these swars in Hindi, they help to make sounds whenever they are combined with the vyanjans. And vyanjans are like ka, kha, ga, gha and so on. So if we take suppose a vyanjan ka and we add au to it, so it becomes the matra of au, then it becomes kau, and if we add a, bada a, it becomes kawwa. So it helps to give a sound to that word. Similarly, these vowels that we have like a, e, I, o, u, they also help to make sounds whenever they are used in words. Like for a, generally when it is pronounced, it is said to be a, e, o, u. But it isn't always. Like suppose if you are speaking a word Ram, in that case the sound of A is coming as it is Ram. But if we speak a word like tap, T-A-P, then in that case the sound changes a bit. Instead of saying tap, we say tap. So the sound changes according to the word formed. Similarly in E also, if we speak a word pen, P-E-N, pen, then it's okay. But if we use double E, it becomes peak, P-E-E-K. That means it becomes bada E ki matra in that. And if we take this vowel I, when used in a word, it gives a chota E ki matra like pit, P-I-T, right? Then comes O. O can be used either in the start of a word or in between also. Like if we say top, T-O-P, top. Then if suppose we say a word go. Go means jana, as you all know. Then U, you. It is always seen that whenever U is used in words like but, it doesn't make out the sound of U. We do not get the sound of U. But still we are using U in it. So in some cases when you are using U in words, you do not get the sound. Like if we write a word put, P-U-T, we are getting the exact sound of U. But if we are using but, hut, we are not getting the sound of U, but we are making use of U in it. So we will be seeing this in the sessions which are coming now. Right? So these were the vowels. Now comes the words that contain a vowel. Like you can see over here, we have got a word dad. In Hindi, I have written as dad. We will not write chota a ki matra, it becomes dead. So it will be died. Man, man, pan, pan, van, wine, pad, pad, mad, mad, sad, said, ran, ran, fan, fan. Now dad you already know is Pitaji, man, admi, pan, tawa, van, a small minibus in which the students like school vans are there. Then pad, it can be a writing copy in which you can write anything. Mad, pagal, sad, udas, ran, bhaga, fan. Fan has two meanings in it. One can be मैं आपका प्रशंसक हूँ, I am a big fan of yours, or it can be the house fans that you have like pankha in Hindi that we say. So these words that you are using over here, they are containing a word, they are pronouncing with a big mouth open. Dad, man, pan. If you pronounce on your own, you will find that your mouth opens wide, right? And you have seen how to write in Hindi also. Now let's see the sentences that come with these words. Like, let's pick up the word dad we have seen a while ago. He is my dad. In Hindi I have written here, he is my dad. वो मेरे पिताजी हैं. We, instead of writing वे, we can also say ये मेरे पिताजी हैं. अगर आपके पिताजी if is standing beside you, तो वे मेरे पिताजी हैं. Is means है, but in respect for elders we write हैं. Then the second is he is a man. He is a man. A means एक. In English, whenever you write a, it means एक. तो he is a man, वो एक आदमी है. एक. Right? In English, it is not necessary to write he is one man. We will write he is a man. And in Hindi, we will translate it as वो एक आदमी है. This is a pan. This is a pan. यह एक तवा है. यह एक तवा है. A, again I said, is एक. This means ये. He also means ये या वो. But the only difference is कि this is used for non-living things. Like this is a book. This is a pan. This is a notebook. This is a table. For non-living things, right, we can use this. But for man, we will be writing for any person, we will be writing he or she. He is for male, यानी कि आदमी, right, and she is for female, यानी कि कोई भी लड़की हो, स्त्री के लिए she is used. Then comes this is a van. This is a van. यह एक वैन है. नाउ यू आर मोर क्लियर. अ मीन्स एक, दिस मीन्स ये. तो ये एक वैन है. हाउ वी आर यूजिंग है? बिकॉज ऑफ इज. इज मीन्स है. तो दिस इज अ वैन. यह एक वैन है. दिस इज अ राइटिंग पैड. दिस इज अ राइटिंग पैड. यह एक लिखने वाली पुस्तक है. Is means है. This means यह. A means एक. बाकी writing pad is लिखने वाली पुस्तक. He is mad. He is mad. वो पागल है. वो पागल है. Right? Is means है. Mad we have discussed. पागल. He वो. Tom is sad. Tom is sad. Tom उदास है. Tom कोई भी हो सकता है. It can be any human being. Tom is a boy. Is means है. Sad is उदास. तो Tom उदास है. Ram ran fast. Ram. Now you can see yourself. Ram में A is sounding something different. Ram. But in ran, it is sounding something different. Ram ran fast, and in fast also we are using a vowel. Fast means tez. Ram, any name of any boy. Ran, दौड़ा. Ram ने तेज दौड़ा. Yeah, you can also remove ne and you can write Ram तेज दौड़ा. Fast means तेज. तो Ram तेज दौड़ा. This is a fan. This is a fan. A एक. This यह. Is है. Fan पंखा. यह एक पंखा है. Now let's look at the words having E. Like we have got here pen. Pen, kalam. In pen now you are seeing I have not used I. I am using A की मात्रा छोटा a. Right, because in this the mouth doesn't open wide. If you pronounce pen, you cannot say pan. Pan तो वही तवा हो गया. So pen means kalam. Then comes men. A while ago we have seen man, and what is this men? Men means बहुत सारे आदमी. Even if two men are standing together, अगर दो लोग भी खड़े हैं, we will say men, we will not say man. Den, गुफा. hen, मुर्गी. net, जाल. met, मिला. get, मिला. let, लेट. लेट मीन्स करने देना, या जैसे वी विल स्पीक अबाउट दिस. वेट, गीला. राइट. सो लेट्स रिपीट दिस अगेन. पेन, कलम. मैन. मैन कैन बी फॉर मोर देन वन पर्सन, वन मैन. तो आदमी. डेन, गुफा. hen, मुर्गी. नेट, जाल. met, मिला. get, मिला. let, करने देना. wet, गीला. In all these, when you pronounce on your own and if you start reading them, you will see your mouth doesn't open wide. So let's see the sentences on these. This is a gel pen. This is a gel pen. यह एक जेल पेन है. दिस यू ऑलरेडी नाउ नो. यह इज है. अ एक जेल पेन. वी आर मैन. वी आर मैन. नाउ आर मीन्स हैं. फॉर मोर देन वन पर्सन, एक से ज़्यादा अगर मनुष्य होंगे तो आर होगा. हम सब आदमी हैं. हम सब आदमी हैं. Lion stays in den. Lion stays in den. Lion stays in den में बब्बर शेर गुफा में रहता है. Den, गुफा. In, में. In means में. Stays, रहना. And lion you already know as बब्बर शेर. बब्बर शेर गुफा में रहता है. It is a hen. It is a hen. यह एक मुर्गी है. It, why I am using here it? It means it can be used for animals only, because in that it is very difficult to recognize between male and female. So for animals generally it should be used. So it is है. A, एक. hen, मुर्गी. यह एक मुर्गी है. दिस इज अ नेट. यह एक जाल है. दिस, यह. इज, है. अ, एक. एंड नेट, आई हैव टोल्ड यू द मीनिंग, जाल. आई मेट राम इन द मार्केट. आई मेट राम इन द मार्केट. राम इज एनी पर्सन. इट कैन बी योर फ्रेंड. मेट, अभी हम लोगों ने देखा था, इट मीन्स मिला. आई, मैं राम से मार्केट में मिला. मार्केट, बाजार. सो मैं राम से बाजार में मिला. गेट मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. राइट, गेट मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. मुझे पानी का ग्लास ला दो. मी, मुझे. अ, एक. Even if you don't write a, it's okay for this sentence, लेकिन मुझे एक पानी का गिलास ला दो भी आप you can write. Water means पानी. Right, glass you already know. Of का मतलब होता है का. तो पानी का गिलास ला दो. ला दो for get. Let me cook food. Let, we have seen the meaning, करने देना. राइट, तो मुझे खाना पकाने दो. मुझे खाना पकाने दो. लेट मी डू माई वर्क. लेट मी प्ले. लेट मी सिंग. लेट मी स्लीप. मुझे सोने दो. मुझे गाना गाने दो. सो लेट मीन्स करने देना. मी, आई हैव टोल्ड यू, मुझे. मी मीन्स मुझे. कुक, बनाना या पकाना. तो मुझे खाना बनाने दो या खाना पकाने दो. दिस क्लॉथ इज वेट, दिस यह, क्लॉथ कपड़ा, दिस क्लॉथ इज है, एंड वेट गीला, यह कपड़ा गीला है. वी कैनॉट से यह कपड़े गीले हैं. कपड़े इज नॉट, वी आर नॉट स्पीकिंग अबाउट सो मैनी क्लोथ्स. एक कपड़ा होगा तो क्लॉथ, बहुत सारे होंगे देन क्लोथ्स. वी आर नॉट स्पीकिंग अबाउट मैनी क्लोथ्स. सो दिस क्लॉथ इज वेट, यह कपड़ा गीला है. Now there are some additional words on which you people will have to make sentences related to A and related to E. Lad means किशोर लड़का. किशोर लड़का means a teenager boy of 13-14 years. So lad means किशोर लड़का. Lap गोद, gap जगह देना, जैब एक जैसे भोंकना कोई चीज़, कोई नुकीली चीज़, नैप थोड़ा नींद की झपकी आना, कास्क एक छोटी सी डिब्बी रखना अपने पास जिसमें कोई भी चीज़ आप रख सकें, मेट फ्रेंड, फेट किस्मत, पैच कोई भी एक जैसे कहते हैं दाग होना या फिर कोई निशान होना, सेक जैसे हम ये कहते हैं फॉर द सेक ऑफ माई कंट्री, कंट्री के लिए, तो सेक का मतलब हो गया किसी के लिए. वास्ट बड़ा, ह्यूज बहुत बड़ा होना. बेट मीन्स शर्त रखना, जैसे इफ सपोज वी स्पीक अ सेंटेंस आई बेट आई विल विन, मैं शर्त रखता हूँ मैं जीतूंगा. वेट वेटरनरी डॉक्टर को वी कैन से इन शॉर्ट वेट. वेटरनरी डॉक्टर इज हुम हु लुक्स आफ्टर एनिमल ट्रीटमेंट, जो जानवरों का डॉक्टर होता है. जेट एक पूरा फव्वारा निकलना. सेट सब कुछ सेट कर देना, सब कुछ अरेंज करके रखना. पेट पेट को वी कैन यूज इन 2 टर्म्स. जैसे पेट होता है एक तो पालतू जानवर रखना, लाइक वी कैन से, या हम कह सकते हैं माई पेट नेम इज़, यानी कि घर का नाम क्या है. मेस मेस का मतलब सब कुछ बिगाड़ देना, बट इट हैज़ 2 मीनिंग्स. एक मेस होता है जैसे आर्मी में मेस में खाना खाना हो, तो उनका एक पूरा कैंटीन रहता है जिसमें सब लोग बैठ के खाते हैं. और वी कैन से डोंट मेस अप द थिंग्स, यानी कि सारी चीज़ों को बिगाड़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सेल बेचना, येल चिल्लाना, वेस्ट ये पता ही है आप लोगों को बनियान. स्ट्रेस तनाव, तनाव नहीं रखना चाहिए ये कहा ही जाता है. जेस्ट थोड़ा मजाक करना. राइट, सो दीज वर सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट वी वर सीइंग. नाउ लेट्स लुक राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग व्हाट डिड वी सी टुडे. Go to slide. For today we had been seeing the important things, like we know that there are 5 vowels and the vowels are 5 in number, but the alphabets are 26 in number, which are related to that of the Hindi language. Like in Hindi also we have got so many swaras like a, e, u, a, I, o, ang, aha, and there are so many vyanjans also like kha, ga, ga and so on. So all those vyanjans, they take the help of these swars and make the words with sound with those swars. Similarly, we will take the help of these vowels to make words. Then we saw some words that contained A, like dad, man, pan, van, pad, mad, sad, ran and fan, in which I told you that dad means Pitaji, man is Aadmi, pan is Tawa, van is the small minibus, pad कोई भी लिखने वाला छोटी कॉपी, mad पागल, sad उदास, ran दौड़ा, fan has 2 meanings, एक तो प्रशंसक होना और एक पंखा. Then we saw the sentences that were made on it, in which we came to know by these sentences that is means है, he, she, they are for ह्यूमन बींग्स. लाइक शी इज़ फॉर फेमिनिन, लाइक कोई भी स्त्री होगी तो उसके लिए हो जाएगा शी, कोई भी इंसान आदमी होगा तो वो ही होगा. बट फॉर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स लाइक कॉपी, पेन, टेबल, वी विल बी यूजिंग दिस. इज मीन्स है, अ मीन्स एक. सो दिस इज अ पेन, अ पैन. दैट मीन्स यह एक तवा है. यू कैन मेक these words together. You can pick up these words together like this is a, and you can write any word of your own. But you cannot write this is Ram. Ram is a person. So you will say he is Ram. Right? He is mad. Tom is sad. We had seen all these sentences, how we made them. Is always remember is hai. A means ek. This is for non-living things, ye, and he or she is for living things. It can be masculine and feminine. Then we saw some words on E also, like pen, men, den, hen, net, met, get, let, and wet, in which the meanings have been given here. Right? Then we saw that while pronouncing the words that were containing A, our mouth opens wide. But while pronouncing the words having E in them, our mouth does not open so much wide. Then we saw the sentences used with the words having E, in which this again is ye, is hai, a is ek. R means हैं, and always remember if you are encountering a word men, तो men means एक से अधिक आदमी, चाहे दो लोग हों it will be men, but if it is only one person it will be man. Right? Then lion stays in den. Stays means रहना, in, में. Then this is a net, is again is है, a, ek, and this ye. Then we saw another word me. Me means mujhe. Right? And then now I have given you some additional words which I have again told you while ago, out of which these words I have given you, and you have to make sentences on them. You can use those additional words which I have given you, like this, it as I told you is only for animals and birds where we are unable to differentiate between the male and female. So it's better to write it for animals and birds. Lad I told you is Kishore Ladka. And then I told you lap is for God. Then gap is for the distance. Right? Then jab is for the small, you can say attack with either an injection or a knife. Nap means jhabki aana. Then cask, I told you, a small box in which you can keep anything. Mate is friend. Fate is kismat. Patch, koi dhabba hona. Then sake, के लिए, for the sake of my country, for the sake of my family. Vast, huge. Right? Then there were some words on E, like bet. Bet means shart lagana. Then vet is the short form for veterinary doctor. A veterinary doctor, as I told you, is a doctor who looks at the treatment of animals. Jet means phawara, set, fix karna. Pet, as I told you, it can be your pet name or your animal which you are taking care of at home. Then mess has two meanings. एक तो वही जो canteen होता है army में, and then the other one is to mix up the things and disturb everything. Sell, बेचना, yell, चिल्लाना, vest, banyan. Stress, stress is tanav, and jest is a small joke. So hope these things are clear to you, and you have to make these sentences and send it to me as soon as possible. Thank you.